In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ManyChat contact info. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can safely export the data you need from a specific contact inside your ManyChat account. Make sure you're already logged into the correct ManyChat workspace before you begin, so you don't accidentally pull data from the wrong project. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your ManyChat dashboard. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons. Find the one that looks like a person. This is the Contacts section. Go ahead and click that icon. This will open up your full contact list, showing all of the users who have interacted with your bot or automation. When your contact list appears, take a moment to locate the specific contact whose information you want to download. You can scroll through the list or use the search function if you have a lot of contacts. Once you've found the right person, click on that contact. This will open a pop-up window with detailed information about them, such as their profile data, tags, and any other fields you've collected. Now, focus on the top right corner of that pop-up window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which usually indicate more options or settings. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can perform for that contact. From this list, choose the option labeled Download Contact Data. This tells ManyChat that you want to export all of the information associated with that user. As soon as you select that option, a new pop-up will appear. This pop-up explains that you are about to export all user data for this contact, and it reminds you that this information can be confidential. It clearly states that it is strictly forbidden to share any part of this export with any third party without the contact's consent. Take a second to read that message and make sure you understand your responsibility to handle the data securely and in line with privacy regulations. When you're ready to proceed, click the OK button at the bottom right of the pop-up. ManyChat will now start preparing the export. Depending on the amount of data associated with that contact, this may take a short moment. Just wait until the export process is complete. Once it's ready, you'll see an option to download the contact data. Click Download Contact Data, and the file will be saved to your device, usually in your default Downloads folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded contact info from ManyChat.